5 gel moisturizers you can't go wrong with. Bond Super Light Gel with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E is a safe bet to go by for a moist skin any day and is super affordable. Next up is the Hydro Boost Water Gel, a super lightweight and oil-free formula which makes it perfect for combination to oily skin. Here's a personal favorite, the Vitamin E and Niacinamide Moisture Surge Cream by India. It is a little thick in consistency, it's perfect for my little dry skin and also has SPF 15, great for days when I'm staying back home. Next up is my new purchase. It is a Dot & Key 72-hour hydrating gel. It definitely keeps the skin feeling plump throughout the day because of the hyaluronic acid and Japanese rice water. Last but not the least, the super popular Clinique Moisture Surge. It has many different humectants and concentrations of silicone that add to the silky texture and also vitamin E. It definitely leaves your skin glowing as you wake up.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.